Hello there YouTube. So today I will be replacing this exhaust. As you can see, this is the muffler and it's pretty bad. See all this rust? It's rusted pretty bad. Here too. Let's get into it. So what I'm gonna do first, I will be using WD-40. Spray these nuts. One here and one in the other side as well. They are rusted pretty bad. And also I will be spraying these hangers. One here, one at the back somewhere there. This bolt did come off. No problem. Comes out easily now. But that one over here gave me a hard time. So what I'm gonna do, I will be cutting it. I will be using multi-tool or the hacksaw. If it didn't work, I will be using the hacksaw to cut it off. Alright, tried the multi-tool because it's pretty noisy and didn't cut that much. So nah, it's no use. So I will be using the hacksaw to cut it off. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, since this part is pretty hard to take off this bolt, I'll cut this part all off and take the exhaust off, and it makes it easy to get to the bolt. There'll be a lot of space when we take the exhaust off, because this bolt on angle and it's very tricky to get the bolt off while the exhaust pipe in the way. Alrighty. So what I done in here, did cut it through there. As you see, it's loose now. So I will take this exhaust off and try to cut this part. So this is pretty hard. So my advice is, if you want to take these bolts, better off go to a mechanic, give him 20 bucks or 30 bucks. Let him take the bolts for you, and better than spending 3 hours or 2 hours on them. Alright, let's take the exhaust off right now. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'll take this rubber off and try to get the exhaust off. But I will put something down here so when it's full, it's gonna fall on it. Here we go. Just like that. Alright, so finally I took the exhaust off. As you can see how bad it is. It's pretty bad. It's rusted here. Heaps of rust. It wasn't that easy. Especially this part, the last screw gave me a hard time. Had to cut it with the hacksaw. Come out into 3 pieces from here. So as I said, if you want to take these bolts off, better off go to a mechanic, pay him 20 bucks or 30 bucks and ask him to take the bolts off for you. And then when you come back home, take the exhaust off by yourself. And what I'm gonna replace it with? This beauty over here. So I got this brand new exhaust for 180, and I got the how to install this exhaust tip. We'll be adding it here. Pretty easy, straightforward. This one, look at that, how bad it is. Alrighty, so let's put the new one on. But before I put it on, as you can see how rust this one is. So what I'm gonna do, spray it with the WD-40, and now I'm gonna use this metal brush and brush all this rust off. Try to get all the rust off. Get it with the chisel. Alright, so I'm gonna use this tool over here to take these rubbers off. There are 3 of them, and there is an easy way to take them off. Just like that. That's it. Alrighty, so it is time now to install the exhaust. Alright, so the exhaust in. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hang this rubber over here just to slide it through. So just to hold the exhaust, just like that. Alright, hang this too. It's in. That's it. Now 2 rubbers are in. This one and the first one, and there is another one at the back as well. There's one here at the back, so I will do that one at the end. Next I'm gonna put the gasket just on the exhaust head with the joint. So we're gonna push them and put silicone paste to stop any leaks. So first thing, as we done, don't put the bolts. So what I done first, I hooked the rubbers to the car, one here and one at the back. Alrighty, so as I said, when I put these rubbers, now the exhaust is holding. We're gonna use this silicone paste for high temperature. Now I'm gonna put silicone paste here just to stop the leaks. I'll be adding silicone paste around the gasket as well. Remember to add both sides, so this side and the back side as well. To make it easier, just put the gasket on, just like that. Then put the silicone paste around it. That's it. When we're done, now I'm gonna push the exhaust into the studs and try to adjust the gasket. Now I will be using this thread lock to keep the nuts holding in case in vibration. I should do. That's it. Now we take this nuts off. Now we're gonna add thread lock on this. You see it pretty tight, that's enough, because don't put too much pressure, otherwise you will break the stud. Remember, do not use the old nuts because they are bad, so you have to get them replaced with the new ones. And any silicone left, just clean it up all around. So that's it. I installed the new exhaust. As you could see, it wasn't that easy, but worth it. Now all I have to do, turn the car on and check for any leaks around here. Beautiful, all done, looks good. So I'm gonna take it for a ride and check everything alright. Alrighty, so thank you. Remember to subscribe and like for more videos. See ya.